Okay, just gonna wash my hands and nope, I didn't cook in that furnace. Okay, and cooked rabbits. No, I don't want that. Oh yeah, I was cooking this thing overnight. No, I forgot to go get it at 5 o'clock. I remember the tutorial said that, but burnt my steak again. There's really no point in making food. No point at all, okay? Okay, let's go to Pixel again. I'm just gonna go to Pixel. Hopefully, whoa! Looks like he added a new addition to this place. And I think I saw this in a dream that I had. And that. And that. Maybe it's just a dream. So, yeah, it was just a dream. Maybe he got some new things installed in here. And, okay, so, where's Pixel? What is that sound? Jeez, okay. Here, this way. Pixel?
Huh? Oh, I've been, yeah. So I had this crazy, sorry about that. I had this crazy dream where the world was invaded. That's really weird.
And, wait, what?
What?
So did I.
Oh, maybe we're dream buddies.
Okay. Just wait, I need to go on my...
Who the heck is Shane?
That's my friend. Here.
Oh, he's
I think he sent it to the wrong person. Can I see it?
Oh, he's giving me this stuff. I don't know why.
Fucking cool. Oh. And yeah, Shane's kind of violent. Okay, so
I've been reading up on this book called, and it says Go Cypher. Yeah, he was in my dream as well.
So did I.
And also, in my dream, I also saw some kind of book under this tree, so I'm planning on looking. Are you kidding me? I found a book! I found a book! I found a book! Yes! Okay, let's see what it says. Gnomes, they're really evil, their weakness is being smashed, that's the only way they also talk.
Okay. Here, just wait, I need to go get some stuff because I just burnt my steak. I'll be right back.
I'm following. I also added the apple tree. Apple's place.
Okay.
And then my new name is Yuki.
Oh! When did that happen? Okay, Yuki. Okay, let's go.
Looks like your house improved.
Yeah, I got some new furniture installed.
Your house looks like what it looks like in my dream.
Yes. Same. This is weird. We had the same dreams, and I got a pool table installed in. I need to buy the sticks for it though.
Maybe it wasn't a dream.
Yeah, but my dream had this little triangle thing on that water elevator of yours.
That's Go Cypher.
And he was like saying like ha ha ha.
Look at this book. Look.
Gideon. Book 2. Bill, Cypher, beware, do not summon at all, cause toast, do not summon or else.
I think it's supposed to say toss.
Okay. So yeah, I had a little he looked like a Dorito to me. Like I was really hungry in that dream.
Give me back the book.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's get back to my house.
What were you trying to cook?
My steak my steak went in the drain. It was in this furnace, but then I put it in the sink and now it went in the drain. Now I have to buy a new steak. Wait, I have some stuff in my fridge actually.
What do you have?
I have raw beef. Yes.
Yeah, you have raw beef.
You want one too?
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
I already have an apple farm.
Okay, I just got 2 because I'm pretty hungry. And okay, so I'm putting it in the furnace. I have kind of an old cooking system. Can't really afford an oven.
Alright, so
I have some cabinets here as well. I got some extra things installed on my thing.
Yeah.
I like it. Okay, so 2 steaks. Are you sure you don't want one?
That's fine.
Because I have a bonus.
I have my backpack right here.
Whoa, you have baked potatoes in there. This is good.
So I'm not ready for a new adventure.
Yeah. Maybe we should go into that teleporter.
Oh, I learned some new magics.
Magics? What's the magics? You mean magic?
See? Look. Can you get through the door? It's magic. Okay, I'll get rid of it.
Red particles came out of it.
Okay, let's get out. Alright, let's head out.
So.
This is the thing that I use for magic.
What is that?
I'm not sure.
Okay, so. Okay. And I got a new laptop.
Yep, okay, cool.
And
I got a new laptop as well.
A piston way to get. Wait. This time, we need to get prepared. I think I have an emergency thing that. Oh yeah, I created an emergency thing. It's next to my house. I used it in that dream, but wait, where is it gone? Pickaxe is not here.
Me neither. Oh, I think I found it. It was in my dream as well.
Yeah, the pickaxe used to be there, but I don't know where it is. Okay, we need to get an emergency sword.
Okay, I'm gonna get one as well. Hey, I'm stuck.
It's cool to prank friends with. And you need 2 iron blocks to place back down. There you go. And okay, so I have my stuff. We kind of need some armor. I think this will do. Yeah, this was in my dream as well. All this diving equipment. Okay, so hopefully we won't go into a kingdom again. Okay, are you sure you want to do this?
Wait, let me get my.
Wait, what's in here? Nether stars.
Oh, we have to throw that in to get it to teleport us.
Okay, I got one.
Throw it in.
Okay.
Throw it.
Up. Okay.
Alright, get ready.
3, 2, 1. Whoa! Okay. Pixel?
Where am I?
Pixel go. Oh, hey, Pixel.
Magic.
Okay, you should get that magic. But okay, so this is rather less exciting than our last one. What is this place?
Oh my god, that is beautiful though.
I know, right? I need to get a picture. Oh, jeez, I forgot to bring my phone.
I got my phone.
Oh, take a picture and send it to me.
Okay.
Okay, so.
How are you gonna get down?
Magic?
Follow me.
Okay. I'm scared.
Yeah, I can't see that well. Do I have any torches with me? Yes, I did. Wow, I'm all prepared.
And there's a lot of torches here too.
Okay.
Okay, so should I go for it?
There. You got him. Yeah.
Is it safe? Oh,
Yeah, that's safe.
I'm flying.
Okay, get down here. Get down where I am.
I'm flying. Looks cool. I'm up here. Oh.
Okay, that is not where magic is. You should just start shifting so then you don't fall.
Yeah, I'm doing that. Pretty cute. And is there any way to break this magic? I'm punching it. Punch it.
Jump down. Get down.
Okay, I'm at the magic, I think.
Yeah. Can you move? No.
Oh, thanks. I mean, sorry. I hate doing that. Okay.
Yeah. Come where I am. Go on the vines.
And Tarzan. Oh.
Are you okay?
Ow.
Where are you?
Somehow I can stand on the sleeves. I'm right behind you. Is there magic over there?
Yeah.
Here, you need to place it over here. Oh! Did I make it?
Okay, get down there.
Okay.
I could see the magic in my head.
I can't do. Ow.
Ow.
I mean, Yuki. Okay, so whoa, there's some holes in this place. Shouldn't go out there though. Okay. Okay, so I have the Nether Star, so maybe we can throw this back. But let's explore this place a little. Ooh, dungeon.
The question here is, how do we get back?
Nether Star, throw it.
The last adventure we went through, we fell off a cliff, but
I think we should jump on the Nether Star. I think that will work. But let's not worry about that. These leaves, they're really rock solid. I can. Ooh, there's a hut. Maybe there's someone. King, queen, maybe. I'm kidding. The king and queen's not gonna be here. But oh, geez.
blood.
Come on.
Oh, I found a book.
Here, can I see?
It says, "Hello, traveler. If you have found this message, please send help. I need much help from you. They are here. Quickly, send help. Please!" Look, here.
Please.
I got my torch. Do you think we should split up?
Here. I don't have my phone. Do you have like some kind of communicator?
Here's a map. You might need this. I have a map up everywhere, so there. Split.
So I can see myself on it? Whoa,
wait.
This is a cool map.
Wait, I need to show you something. Wait. Okay. Let me get something. These are, let me get it. They're called, these are firework stars, but they can hear each other from the other side of it. Okay, let's start. Kiyuki! Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes. Hello.
Okay. Oh, shoot, I found an abandoned house.
Okay. Map.
There's torches everywhere.
Where are you?
We split up, don't we?
Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm using the map. I see some kind of thing on the map. Like out through all the trees. Like it kind of blends out. Or this map is really helpful.
I see you. But
Oh hey.
there's not that much to see.
Somehow this map is kind of weird because it says you're way far. Okay. Oh, it's just this bundle.
There's not that much here to see.
There must be something else. There has to be.
Yeah, why would Podo send us here?
Yeah. It always sends us at important places.
Yeah, like when we were at the King and Queen. Well, somebody said, well, on the booking quote it said help.
Here.
So maybe that's the mission.
Maybe we have to climb some trees?
Kind of on the tree.
We need to find a tree.
Do you want some torches?
Sure.
Okay, let me get you some. Where are you?
I'm behind you.
There.
Okay.
Here are your torches.
Thank you.
Do you want some water? I brought some water.
Yes, please. I'm very thirsty. Okay, thanks. This is like a survival kit. Okay. So, any trees we can climb in this area?
Let's see. I found some vines. Maybe I can start roping that up. Ow, 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 ow.
Oh, Jesus, vines. Yep. Oh, ow. There it is.
Vine climbing, but there.
Okay, you lead the way because you have the vines.
Okay, I got some vines. Oh, it's starting to become day, so yeah.
Oh, jeez!
It's starting to become day.
Okay, the vine saved me. Cool. Where are you exactly? Oh, oh, jeez.
You see me?
No. Oh, how did you get up there? My grip isn't hard enough. Can you put some magic down?
Okay, I'll put some magic down. Can we get up? Can we get up? There's some magic right there, so you gotta there. Get onto the magic.
Okay, boom.
I'll leave the magic there, I don't care.
Okay, now we need to just get into this, so...
See
Okay.
anything? Do you see anything?
No.
Do you see anyone?
No, I don't.
Okay, I'm gonna start jumping!
Okay, did you see anyone?
Nope, not yet. I'll use some magic to get over.
Oh, there's the abandoned house you were talking about.
Okay, okay, we're over at the house. Come on, get over here. The magic trail.
Okay. Weird magic.
You want me to get you one of these ones?
Sure. Oh, my phone is ringing.
My phone is ringing.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
Wait.
Okay, I'll just let you talk to your phone a little bit. Okay, so this map doesn't really show everything here.
What's going on?
Okay, so this map doesn't really show everything here.
Well, do you want me to give you one of these wands?
Sure.
They call it a barrier for some reason, but okay, here. It shows you where the magic is, so that should be good.
I already placed it
Oh,
down.
wait. Well, I'll have to break it for you, okay?
Okay.
Here's some barriers.
Oh, jeez.
I'll give you loads.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
Just give you loads, just in case.
Okay, so.
I can only break it though, so it's probably.
Whoa. Okay, we need to get a bird's eye view so we can actually see what's going on.
You can see all the magic if you want. You can see it.
Yeah, I can kind of see like an outline of it.
Do you see anything?
Doesn't look like it. Should we just leave now?
Why?
Because there's nothing.
No, if it sends us a message, then we should look around.
Okay. I guess let's just go. Is there anything, any sign of any people?
I don't see any. If that portal sends us somewhere,
It has to be important.
yeah. Then why would have it send it us anyways?
Good point.
Ah!
You okay?
That hurts.
Okay, use
I'm gonna
your.
use some magic to make a staircase, okay?
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna put down some vines, so maybe farm it down.
Okay.
I'm working on it right now. Almost down.
It looks so weird. I'm standing on nothing.
I know. Alright, get down.
Okay, is it safe? Loading vines. Okay, so
It looks like floating vine if you don't have the barriers on you.
yeah.
It just looks like a floating vine.
Okay.
We're almost there.
Where are we
If
trying
if you need any more of the barriers, then I can give you some.
Okay.
I have loads.
Here. Is there anything to explore in this place?
Well, we have to look around on the trees at least.
Here, let's split up. I think we should split up.
Okay, you go look somewhere. We have those walkie-talkie things.
Okay.
Look around.
Pixel? Come in, Pixel?
Yeah.
Okay, just testing the walkie-talkie. I can't find anything.
Yeah, I mean, either everybody's jumping on tree.
Oh!
I see a chest!
What?
I see a chest!
Where is it? Okay, I'm gonna use the map to follow you. Oh, it just says you're at that same place. Okay.
Oh, I see you! I see you! I see you!
Oh, I can use the barriers. Where are you? Oh.
Come on, get up. I see a chest.
Okay, so...
Use my barriers to get over there.
There it is. Okay.
You see?
Okay, I can sort of see the grid.
Not one. What does that mean?
Novel, maybe?
I found this place. I found people, but they want to kill me. If you are reading this, they will kill you.
Here, watch your back. There's an iron block there. That should be suspicious.
There might be people here. I don't think we're alone.
Oh no. By the way, these are fire-inflicted arrows.
I think there are people watching us camouflaged.
Oh no.
We need to help these people.
Okay.
I got some cooked rabbit.
Yeah, that's gonna... I have 2 steaks. I didn't eat them.
I have some golden apples, bread, apple stick, wood, crafting table, furnace, water, and some pickaxes, shovels, swords, and torches.
I took one of your ender pearls. Because I think we should use it.
I don't have any.
It's in your backpack. I know how these work. You throw it and then it teleports you there.
Yeah.
You see any other chest?
Nope. Teleport. Teleport. Teleport.
I only have 1.
I have like 13.
Okay, I can use the barriers.
Here.
Oh, jeez. That's a lot. And it's all work. Oh, jeez.
Teleport.
Whoa, these things are cool. Oh, jeez. The leaves. Ow.
There's
Yeah?
more here. I think someone just broke it. It looks fresh. The hole looks fresh. Okay, jump.
Okay.
We need to look for clues. Ah!
You okay? Pixel. Where are you? Oh, okay, good.
Ow, that hurt.
Whoa,
What is
what is
that?
that? Should we go there?
Nah, I don't think so.
Where's any other chest?
I think those are how they cross between worlds.
So every one of the... Wait, I saw this in the castle thing, so that's a world too.
Yeah, so maybe every world is crossed between.
So it teleports us to a random world.
Yeah, but maybe our world is probably crossed by... Probably there are trees blocking those, so then we can't see the other worlds.
Yeah, there's trees trying to block these ones.
Yeah.
Here, should I teleport all the way?
Come on, let's follow me.
Okay.
We need to find some way to find those people.
Okay, so...
Okay, let's split, okay?
Okay, let's split up.
Something just tried to shoot you!
Huh?
Something just tried to shoot you when you were jumping down.
Ow.
Look!
Huh? Where?
Look at that fire arrow. It tried to hit you.
Oh no.
Place where you jumped.
Oh, jeez.
Someone tried to hit you.
There's people here.
Okay, we gotta run.
Come on. Teleport. Oh, jeez. Pixel?
We are not alone. We are not alone.
Okay. Come on. Okay, watch out when I jump.
Something just shot up.
Ah. Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Jeez. Okay, I don't have any more ender pearls.
Okay.
Do you have any more?
Something just shot.
Here, show yourself.
Start shooting.
Just shoot in random directions.
We don't know where they are. I think they have a higher advantage right now.
Here, do you have any ender pearls? I think I can use
we're
those.
exposed, pretty much.
Do you have any ender pearls?
Wait. Come on.
I don't have ender pearls.
Wait, I have one ender pearl. Here. What? Come here. Okay. Come here. Come on. We're gonna camouflage ourselves. Come on. Get in. Okay, we're camouflaged.
Okay, this way. I need to watch.
See anyone?
No, it doesn't look like it.
Okay. They could start shooting us any minute. I think they have a better advantage than us. Because we don't know where we are in the jungle, and they know. Okay, this is bad. We are in trouble.
Okay.
Okay, we're heading this way. I just saw something.
Oh!
Are you okay, MP?
Something just shot me.
Oh, jeez, that was hurt. Come on, we need to get you up. Come on. Can you use your barrier magics?
Yeah, I think so.
Come on, we have to get back to the tree. Come on. Back up.
Am I up?
Yeah, you're almost there. I can't see anything.
Whoa!
You okay?
Ow! Something just... Here.
We're starting to shoot.
Invisible
Let's just make a
barriers.
bit. Let's just make a place here. Okay?
Okay.
Let's just make a place. I can't do anything about this. Barrier.
Barriers all around. I think I trapped myself.
I can break it.
Please? Okay, thank you. Oh, there's some barriers here as well. Okay, so...
Come here, come on. Let's block this.
Where are you? Oh, okay.
This will be our little shelter. Do we sleep here for the night?
Sure, I think we should go to sleep.
Yeah, it's pretty late. They won't be able to hurt us anyways. We have barriers around. Let's break through them.
I think we can... Okay, I think we should go to sleep.
I got some sleeping bags with me.
Okay, good. That should be handy.
Okay, here's one sleeping bag. Okay, wait.
Okay, I'll do this one. I'll use this one.
Okay, I'll use this one.
Not even morning yet. Pixel? I mean, Yuki. I think I heard like an arrow. I heard it. Can you break those barriers?
Alright, I'll break down them.
Oh,
Sorry,
gee.
I'm trying to break down the barriers.
Okay. I thought it was the people. Here, do you have any end portals? I think we can teleport.
No, I don't have any. I could use my jetpack.
Okay. Up here.
Shoot you!
Huh?
They tried to shoot you. I picked up the arrow though.
Oh, gee. I just shot my ender pearl up in the air. Okay, I just wasted one.
I have no more.
Okay. Come on.
Oh shoot!
Oh, jeez.
They are getting really aggressive. Are you okay? Oh shoot! Why did they keep on attacking you? B? B? Oh, anybody here? Safety. Okay, let's get you.